Welcome to this demo. Note that train movement is simulated by clicking occupancy icons in this demo as the computer is not connected to the layout. This is using JMRI simulator. A train approaches from the west, you see it activating the block sensors. Note the signal for entry to the sidings is not cleared yet as a route has not been set. The signal controller clicks the route setting icon for siding 1 which sets the point and clears the signal. The train proceeds into the siding, shown by block occupancy indicators and red block section color, and the signal returns to danger. A second train arrives, and the signal controller sets the paths for siding 2. Note that the loco icon 25155 is not in use yet. We will look at using these to track trains in a future demo. The train proceeds into siding 2 with the signal behaving appropriately. Note that on completion of the move, the signal controller resets the route by clicking the route icon. We now show a train departing from siding 1. To change the point, siding 1 icon is clicked, then the exit icon, which sets the exit signal if the route west is clear. The train departs, returning the exit signal to danger, and in this case automatically resetting the route. We now show the second train departing using the same operating sequence. We will now show a demo of a through train, by setting the virtual signal at the end of siding 1 to green. Note that as we are using an active block approach signaling method, the signal approach for the sidings does not clear until the train is in the approach block. Note as well that now the route ahead is clear beyond the siding, a double aspect or distant clear is given and the train continues through the blocks. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back for further demos and JMRI tutorials. If you subscribe to my channel you will be notified when updates are uploaded. Thank you for watching.